Welcome to Firefall. Firefall is a unique experience unlike any other MMO. This guide will help you get into the action. Firefall, first and foremost, is a shooter. The game has been designed to emphasize your skill as a player, specifically your choice of movement and your aim. Your character is also super powered with special armor called battle frames. Each battle frame is uniquely equipped with its own specific guns as well as abilities. Abilities are special powers that can be deployed in combat using the number keys. Each battle frame has 3 unique abilities. You activate them by pressing the number keys or by pressing the Z key to activate the current highlighted ability. You can change the active ability by using the mouse wheel. Build up your hyperkinesis meter to unleash your battle frame's ultimate ability. The more damage you deal or take when engaging in combat, the faster your HKM will build charge. Once your charge is full, you can activate the HKM like any of your other abilities via the action bar or by pressing the 4 key. In Firefall, your class is determined by the battle frame and gear that you choose. Battle frames and battle frame equipment can be upgraded over time to become more powerful. You can play multiple battle frames and switch between them at any time at battle frame stations or in the garage. Each battle frame can be individually progressed and improved. New battle frames are released regularly. Collect them all. Firefall is a non-linear sandbox MMO. This means you can go anywhere, explore any location, and have adventures anywhere in the world. Since Firefall is skill-based, where you go and what you do is largely determined by your own skill and to some degree your equipment. The important thing to note is that you are not restricted by levels. You are free to travel the world at your own discretion. Experimentation is the best way to play Firefall. Playing Firefall is about exploring the world, uncovering dynamic events, and fighting for mankind's survival against a chosen invasion. By simply exploring the world, you will reveal caches of rare resources, which in turn enable you to craft the best gear. Use your newly self-crafted weapons and gear in your dynamic events, missions, and fight against the Chosen. You can also take your creations to engage in some PvP action, or participate in the official e-sport mode of Firefall called Jetball. Jetball will highlight your skill and mastery of your equipment and push the limits of esports gaming. Resources are central to Firefall. You gain them by participating in the different events on the map. Since the world is dynamic, where and what kind of events that occur will vary as you play. The Shared Intelligence Network, better known as SIN, is the information network that detects what types of events are happening around you. Press M to bring up your map. The map shows you the discovered areas you have explored and those you haven't. Enhanced through SIN, icons on the map also indicate what dynamic events are nearby. You can discover more of the map and uncover more dynamic events by uplinking to all the SIN towers located around the world. Unlock them all to get a full picture of what is happening in the world in real time and protect them from the Chosen who will try to take over and disable SIN towers. Knowledge is power in Firefall, and SIN provides that knowledge. The world map also provides you with the latest information on where resources are located. Press the Tab key to show all nearby resources and SIN towers you have unlocked. The more SIN towers you unlock, the more information and events you will be able to track and engage. There are currently 4 types of dynamic events that are displayed on the map. The first are Ares missions, which are short indoor or outdoor missions rated in difficulty from threat level 1 to 5. Threat level 1 missions can be soloable in stock gear, while threat level 5 missions often require a group with crafted gear. The map icon will indicate the threat level of the Ares mission. The second type of dynamic events is player-created and on-demand. Currently, these are Thumper missions. Thumpers are rocket-propelled mining devices that players use to mine large amounts of various resources for crafting. Thumpers are displayed on the map with this icon, and players are encouraged to join teams that are already thumping. What you collect from helping does not affect the rewards the Thumper team will receive, so feel free to jump in. The next type of dynamic events is world events. These include several things, from melding tornadoes to crashed thumpers and LGV vehicles. Lastly, you can monitor chosen activity and invasions from the map. The Chosen push into player territory in stages, starting with patrols and dropships and culminating with entire takeovers of important locations in the world. It is important to protect these locations. They provide many benefits such as XP and resource boosts. Losing a location's Sin Tower, for example, will render the map blind to resources and activities in that area. Chosen activity is indicated by these markers. As we said before, you can individually progress and improve your battle frames. You do this by using XP to unlock your battle frame's capabilities and using gathered resources to craft more powerful gear to equip. Please watch our other videos for how to progress your battle frames and how to craft to customize and tweak your gear. Also, keep in mind you are not locked into any one battle frame. You can collect additional battle frames as you play. Collecting battle frames for different roles and missions is an important part of Firefall. Firefall also has rich PvP support. You can access PvP from many of the brightly labeled PvP terminals in the world, or by accessing the PvP menu from the nav wheel by pressing the tilde key. There are several PvP map types from which to choose, and players are ranked and rewarded with resources as they play. Jetball is a special mode designed for PvP esports. All maps have a robust spectator and shoutcasting mode, as well as replays that you can access from the PvP menu. We hope you enjoyed this overview of Firefall. Please check out our other tutorials for more information about different features of the game.